All right, good morning and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to read in Excel files into Octave. So here is just a quick example. Let me zoom in here of assignment numbers, your homework grades for each, and the test grades for each. And we're going to bring this in to Octave and do some calculations. All right. So what I did is this is saved as a .xlsx file. Okay. And so first thing you want to do is make sure you have your data, but then close it. Otherwise it will not work. Okay. So close it. And then I'm going to go to there. So if I go back to my editor, do this, and I was just running it to make sure. Let's just clear it. Okay, so here's my header. All right, the very first thing you need to do, especially in Octave, is you need to load this I/O. So this is different than using MATLAB. So first line in your code, just say package load I/O. And that will bring in the interface so you can communicate with Excel files. Okay. Then I'm clearing my command window, clearing all the workspace variables, and I'm closing all variables. And these 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then the fifth line here, is all you need to read in and do calculations. So if we look at line 23, data, which is the data in the Excel file, text, which is going to be the text in the Excel file, and then you're just going to write equals XLS read, and then your file name that you saved it as. So I saved my Excel file as grades1.xlsx. Then the first column is going to be assignment number. The second column is going to be homework grades. And then finally, the third column is your test grades. And the data, you just got to grab. So data, colon, comma 1 gives you the first column and so forth. And once you have this information, then you can do something with it. So I just calculated the average. So homeworks were 80% and test grades were 0.2, so I can figure out my average. So let me go ahead and run this. All right. So it ran, and let's do this. Let's go here so you can see. I'm going to type data. Actually, that's small font. Let's go back to the command window. So data, that gives you the numbers that's in the Excel file. And I'll open up the Excel file to show you. And then text again. That gives us text. And then average. So what's my average? 86, so B+. So if I go back and I open up the Excel file, this should be exactly what we had. So assignment numbers, homework grades, and then test grades. So this is how you read in Excel files into Octave. And there you have it. Very short and simple, but very useful tool because a lot of the data from sensors you can export as Excel files, bring that data in and plot it. For example, if you have an acceleration sensor, you can calculate the acceleration from that sensor, export it, and then you can use that to calculate speed and position. All right, thank you very much, and good luck with this. Have a good day.